If you keep working the way you do today, you're going to be replaced not by another person, but by someone who knows how to use what I'm about to show you. If you think productivity means working more hours, you're already falling behind, because the people winning right now aren't working harder, they're hacking time itself. And in this video, I'm going to show you the 10 most insanely effective tech tricks that are helping ordinary people produce like entire teams. And here's the scary part. You probably already have access to all of this. You're just not using it the right way. So stay until the end, because Hassan will completely change the game for anyone who wants to work less and earn more. 10. Automate repetitive tasks, or keep wasting hours every single day. How many times have you done the exact same thing today? Replying to similar emails, organizing files, copying information. It's a black hole of time. Now imagine if all of that just happened automatically. With automation tools, you can connect apps and create workflows that run on their own. For example, every time you receive a specific email, it gets sorted, replied to, or forwarded automatically. Companies in the US are saving thousands of dollars every month just by doing this. And you're still doing it manually? Let me ask you, how many hours of your week are being wasted on things a system could handle for you? And if you think that's powerful, the next one literally erases tasks from your routine. 9. Use AI like an invisible employee. Most people use AI like a toy. Smart people use it like an employee. You can use AI tools to write emails, generate ideas, create scripts, summarize meetings, and even help make decisions based on data. Some people are literally replacing human assistants with this. One entrepreneur in the US cut 70% of their content creation time using AI. And you're still starting from scratch every time? Now think about this. What if you had someone working for you 24/7 without a salary? But hold on. The next trick doesn't just speed things up. It removes the need to think about certain tasks entirely. 8. Build ready-made systems, templates that work for you. That mental effort of starting from zero? Gone. Highly productive people don't create, they reuse. Email templates, response templates, presentations, reports, everything pre-built. You just tweak it. This drastically reduces mental fatigue. Top performers in the US have entire libraries of templates. They don't waste time deciding what to do. They just execute. Now be honest. How often are you restarting something that could already be done? And if you think that's efficient, wait until you see what's next. 7. Block distractions with technology, or keep being controlled by them. You think you're wasting time because you're lazy? No. You're being hacked. Apps, social media, notifications, everything is designed to steal your attention. But there's a flip side. Tools that block distractions, limit usage, and create an environment for deep focus. Top professionals in the US use these to enter deep flow, that state where you do in 1 hour what normally takes 4. So let me ask you, who's in control? You or your phone? And the next one takes this to another level. 6. Work in deep focus blocks. Real-time productivity hack. Forget multitasking. It destroys productivity. The secret is working in intense focus blocks, like 25, 50, or 90 minutes with 0 interruptions. Productivity timers help you stay consistent. This method is used by CEOs, developers, and elite creators. And here's the shocking truth. Studies show multitasking can reduce your efficiency by up to 40%. You still think doing multiple things at once is helping you? And the next trick will help you gain time, even when you're not working. 5. Sync everything in the cloud. Work from anywhere, anytime. Have you ever wasted time looking for files or waiting to access something? That's outdated. Cloud syncing gives you instant access from any device. Entire companies operate remotely like this. Now imagine, you start something on your laptop, continue on your phone, and finish on your tablet without losing anything. It sounds basic, but most people still don't do it right. And the next one will completely change how you organize your life. 4. Use task managers as a second brain. Your mind wasn't built to store everything. The more you try to remember, the less you produce. Task management tools act as a second brain. You capture everything, organize it, prioritize it, and execute without mental overload. High performers in the US rely on this daily. Now think, how much of your energy is wasted just trying to remember what to do? And the next trick eliminates one of the biggest time wasters in the modern world. 3. Replace meetings with asynchronous communication. Meetings are one of the biggest time thieves in modern work. But there's a better way. Async communication. Quick recordings, clear messages, short videos. People respond on their own time. Tech companies in the US have already adopted this massively. The result? More productivity, fewer interruptions. Now be honest, how many meetings could have been just a short message? And the next one turns your daily routine into a productivity machine. 2. Build automated routines. Decide once, execute forever. Every decision drains energy. Now, imagine eliminating hundreds of them every day. Automated routines, fixed schedules, defined processes, pre-made decisions. This frees your mind for what actually matters. Top performers use this same outfits, predictable schedules, automated habits. Are you still deciding everything on the fly? Then get ready, because Hasson separates those who work hard from those who actually win. 1. Build a complete productivity system, or keep putting out fires forever. This is the highest level. It's not about tools. It's about systems. Everything you do needs to be connected. Tasks, goals, habits, automation, focus. You build an ecosystem where everything flows. No more chaotic effort, just strategic execution. People who master this produce in days what others take weeks to do. Now here's the final question. Are you going to stay stuck in manual mode, or start operating like someone who truly controls their time? Because the truth is simple and brutal. If you don't automate, you get replaced. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of people. But here's the problem. Knowing isn't doing. And in the next video, I'm going to show you something that can take this even further, something almost no one is using the right way. So stay ready, because the people who get this first dominate the game.